Hi, my name is Liam Turner. I'm an assembly setter for Magna CC UK. My day-to-day responsibilities are making sure that the assembly cells are running. Also, all the fixings we add into the castings are well in spec to our customer. Some things I like about my job role is working with the different technology we have, like the ABB robots, the Tox machines and the Jasipa guns. And it's pretty much a problem solving from day to day. To be really good at this role, three main skills you need are problem solving, teamwork and flexibility. I would absolutely recommend this role because it's a great gateway to get into the different engineering roles that are out there, like your maintenance engineering, your process engineering or your controls engineering.